Hi everyone. Today we are diving into Bynder DAM, a powerful digital asset management platform designed to help teams organize, share, and reuse their media efficiently. Whether you are a marketer, designer, or content creator, this video will show you how to master Bynder from scratch. For instance, imagine you are launching a new product campaign across multiple channels without a centralized DAM system. Your design team might use old brand guidelines, sales could miss out on approved visuals, and social media ends up posting low resolution images. Binder solves all that by keeping everything organized. By keeping everything organized, searchable, and brand compliant. So let's see how to use Binder. After you have completed the initial setup visit to personalize your workspace, explore the dashboard to understand the key sections, assets, collections, brand portal, and workflows. You should also set up your team, roles, and access permissions early to ensure smooth collaboration later. Once your account is set up, it's time to start uploading and organizing your digital assets like images, videos, PDFs, and more. You can also use folders, tags, and metadata to categorize assets and preview or edit asset details like titles, descriptions, and copyright information. Keep in mind to use consistent naming conventions and keywords to make searching easier for your entire team. Binder shines when it comes to finding and sharing assets quickly and securely. Use the search mode to look for specific files by keyword tag or metadata. Apply filters to narrow down results by type data or custom fields. You can also share assets via email or link or download and set expiration dates or password protection. One of the Binder's most powerful features is the ability to maintain brand consistency across teams and campaigns. Navigate to the brand portal to view company-wide brand guidelines, fonts, colors, and logos. You can use built-in templates for presentation, social posts, or print materials that auto-populate with approved assets. You can also customize templates while ensuring compliance with brand rules. You can also define a strong metadata structure to improve search accuracy and usability across departments. You can assign granular access levels to protect sensitive assets and ensure compliance. You can also connect Binder with CMS, CRM, or marketing automation tools for seamless workflow. Binder also allows tracking of asset usage, downloads, and engagement metrics to measure ROI and optimize your TA strategy. If you ever encounter issues, check Binder's support center or reach out to their customer success team for assistance. In the end, Bynder DAM empowers teams to manage, share, and reuse digital assets with ease, all while maintaining brand consistency and security, from uploading files to creating usable templates. Bynder streamlines your creative workflow to help your company grow faster. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.